up, guys? Back to another video. I'm in Tony's EK because my hatch is at his house, which I will explain why it is right now. But right now, I'm gonna stay next to the semi so I can get to all this nice, glorious shade you see me hiding in. But, and this car's right behind me. Little does he know I'm trying to get this shade. Can y'all see that? But anyways, what we're gonna do is go ahead and install a turbo kit I bought. I don't think anybody really knows about it yet. I threw some hints on Instagram, so some people do know. But as everybody, I don't think everybody knows, but I had an EF in storage, pretty clean EF. Tony's friend was selling a turbo kit, the turbo, wastegate, blow-off valve, the turbo manifold, intercooling, piping. So I was like, damn, I want it. I don't want to take the money I got right now, so I sold that car. I was like, it's just sitting in storage. I'm wasting all kinds of money just. So I'm wasting like 200 bucks a month just for that car to sit there. I liked it. It was just, I didn't drive it because it was hot. And that car has no AC. Right now it'd be perfect time. It's like 80s, like 70s, 80s now, so the weather's good. But I was like, you know what? I'll let it go for a better cause to the channel. So today we're gonna install the turbo kit. I don't know what manifold it is. It's a Sidewinder. Don't know what brand, but I do know it's a precision turbo. And I'll show you a little bit. I'll show you a little more of the kit when we get there. It should be pretty cool. We should have everything. I had to buy a new wastegate because I guess the one it came with is like an older style, Tony says, and we can't use I think some of his springs for it. So I ended up just going to Full Race because I found out they're local. So I went to Full Race, bought a brand new 44 mil wastegate, and I'll show you all the stuff when we get there. But right now I'm gonna pick up David, and I'll see you when we get there. First things first, we're gonna take off the header. Surprisingly, all the bolts are loose. I think I put it
Surprisingly.
But the bottom bolts are off. I'm gonna go down there and Tony's gonna do these two so I can carry it down. And then throw me a carpet to lay on. But first things first, header. Where'd that wrench go? I'll show you guys something. Close it off. The skunk something, skunk 2 alpha, 20 bucks. But in that video of the Tesla, you heard that. There's no count left. As you can tell, man, it does go, yeah.
Alright, so I know this has to move no matter what.
What is it? Oh, the line?
Yeah, need a tip.
So here's part of it. I turbo wrapped it last week. What movie we were watching?
Last week movie?
We were watching a little
Friday.
No, we were watching when I was doing this. The Rock.
Oh.
Stand Tall?
Going at the casino, right?
Yeah.
I don't think it's stand tall.
Standing tall?
It's something tall.
But I got this while we were watching the movie, and I just went to about right here. I wasn't gonna try and fight all this. I'll do it later. But I'm gonna have to move these lines, as you can tell. And then I did buy a brand new one. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Oh, walking tall. I was close.
You almost had the brown one.
Let me just move this bracket so we can
I had it where I could
figure out this.
manage.
You're over here playing Yu-Gi-Oh!
I got clapped.
And you got clapped.
On or is
It's just right now it's just held on by these two to kind of see where things is. This heater hose is only hitting this one runner, so we might just have to put a 90 on it hopefully and pull it, drag it down. But let me see. But from what Tony says, I have a lot more clearance because yours is more forward, like closer to the head itself.
I think mine has better clearance for the turbo part, for the exhaust part.
Oh, mine just has clearance on that line.
No, I mean like to run the
Oh,
pipe back.
Oh, okay. Oh, because it's more forward.
Yeah, because mine is more this way.
Nice.
I looked
Here's
away
the
and
bad
they
boy.
summoned the whole field.
Let me help him get it on real quick and I'll show you. So as we were putting a turbo on, the housing hits this little corner right here. So I think we're going to just, Tony cut his off right here. So I'm going to do the same, that way we can actually move this out the way. So for us, we move this and the housing is also hitting the sensor. So Tony thinks these are the exact same sensors. So we're going to swap them because this one just fades straight up. As you can see, this one sticks out this way. So we're gonna try that, see if it has room. And if it doesn't start, then we know that that's our issue. Turbo somewhat in place. Trying to figure out where all the piping goes. I think pretty sure this goes here. I'm not sure this goes here. But my car still has the plastics that are behind this. I'm gonna have to pull it off and pull the bumper off right now. Still playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Like 2 hours later.
Finding the same guy.
So I'm gonna pull the bumper off so we can somewhat figure out where this goes. The intercooler we left it at friend's house, so we don't have that. But for the most part, just gotta find everything to get it lined up. But
are you talking about the first person battery?
Yeah.
it came green, but it almost matches this, so it's kind of cool. I'm gonna pull the bumper off.
Man, all the cars I got were kind of
Dance go marching one by one. Dance go marching one by one. David starts to suck the stomach. They all go marching.
Oh, fuck.
Bumper's off, but now I gotta take this off. And what you do is there's one bolt here, one bolt here, but this side has this. So I'll show you how I took it off. What you do, grab the tin. Gotta take these off. So now that that's off, see this little tab right here to show a flathead in there, and pry it a little back.
Do you know who Fat Boy Tech is?
Sounds familiar.
I say they like can't believe she's gone or whatever. He got a new shell.
Right there.
But there's no photos that he crashed.
There's one up here too, and then you push and pry it. Now that they're both in, I should be able to pop it right out. Oh. So it's now Saturday. Been working on the car. Haven't recorded much. Been here all day, but let me show you what I did. From the other night, this piece was way too long. It stuck out and it was getting back here, so we have it to where it's right next to this. Should be a little taller, but I think we're gonna put some heat tape right here for when we put on the actual. Let me show you. So I don't know where it's at, but it'll come up here right next to there. The black piping was what I bought the turbo kit. What we think is they weren't running power steering and AC, so maybe it went around there or whatever. We've had a bunch of random pipe.
Weed?
Yeah. Technically, man. A bunch of random pipe. We got two different, I mean, I guess hot and cold. But we made it work. They could become plumbers. Just picked this up right here because the one it came with didn't have the O-ring or seal, so we just bought this. We came back from Speedway. Right now I'm throwing in the injectors, ID 1050s, I think. Right now Tony's looking for the adapters.
I gave them to you.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, they're right there.
Oh, okay. So we got adapters.
That's it.
You put the did you do the bottom of the header?
Yeah, it's all both.
Okay, so yeah, we went to go pick this up, trying to tighten everything down. We just gotta do. Go that oil. We're getting there. We're almost there. Okay, so the injectors are all on. Probably about like 30 minutes. Injectors are on. Tapped into the blow off valve here. Now I gotta tap into this to go to the fuel pressure regulator. I think I just have to zip tie the throttle line up. Oh no, I think we're just gonna put a sleeve on it for now, but something else gotta get zip tied. Making progress on there. Why did all of a sudden it smell like shit? You smell it too, right?
No.
Smell like dog shit or cat shit?
Oh, there's cat shit right there.
Oh, that's probably it. Almost ready. Tony put up the laptop. We don't have that pipe, but we do got this. We're loading a base map or two. I think we might load in his tune. Only difference is I ordered one base map from where I order all my other stuff from. But we might throw his tune on for now just to see how it is. And yeah, we're getting there. So good news, everything should be done and ready to go. Bad news is I forgot the key to the ignition. So now we gotta wait till tomorrow, but we're gonna go get some burger chop.
Burger choppy.
We're gonna go get some burger choppy, grab it up, and we'll be back tomorrow. So yesterday we bought a nut for the O2 so we can drill and put in the up pipe, but I guess the nut was the wrong size. So Tony had a old header laying around. I cut that out, so now hold on, let me a second. We already drilled a hole here. Here's that, and then we're just gonna weld this to this.
Damn.
And hopefully, problem should be solved. And I think after that, we're good to go. Let me get this tacked on or weld on. We'll come back.
I was gonna say you better be careful.
Catch on fire?
Well, that and trying to run a full bead. You gotta remember that's just thin.
Okay.
I've been out on the
Let me show my wheels. Fucked up a little on this side, but that's whatever. I did better on this side. Ooh. Put it on spray. I'll put this on right now. Okay, just put on 02. Think we're Gucci. Alright. This is already there, a little puddle.
You want to turn it off?
Yeah, real quick. Was there already a little puddle right there under it?
Yeah, that's literally what I said.
That's what we were saying.
Oh, that was already there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're like, I
That
wonder what
water
this
shit,
pipe.
right?
Huh?
That water.
Oh, is that what that is?
I don't know. That's what we were talking about it.
Let me see.
It was already there before.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, but that's not. I don't know what it is though.
Okay, yeah, because I didn't see nothing dripping. Okay, then you should be good.
That's why I stopped. I'm like, I know there's oil. That's oil, huh?
That's oil.
Is that drain plug not right? Did you check it?
No, I didn't check it. And now we're going to test drive it. I don't plan on getting on it though. Maybe just enough to hear the turbo, but just want to make sure it drives right. Damn! I didn't even going fast and it sounds cool! Ooh! I'm about to fucking race everybody. Your grandma pulls up next to me, she better be ready. Ooh! This is my first turbo car. Ooh! Sticks out the hood so it looks sick. Right now I'm cruising at 14. AFR's at 14. Coolant temps 187. We're looking good. Ooh, a GTR. I'm gonna race him. I'm gonna race him. I'm on some all season, so. Ooh! Can y'all hear that? I say, meow. That just sounds so tight. I'm in love. I'm in love. That dude don't want none. He don't want none. I got a turbo and a laptop. my view. That's my view. Ooh, she sounds so good. Things are looking good, just cruising. I feel like the same 16-year-old, 17-year-old I was when I first got my hatch in a single cam, and I thought I was the shit. I just like the little whistling sound. It sounds sick. I look sick, dude. I feel like fucking Thanos up in this bitch. Nobody won none. I'm just kidding. I'm not even tuned. I'm on an all-season tire, like a 14-inch tire, if you will. I'm getting smoked or I'm blowing up. One of the two. I'd kill myself. POV, drive your first turbo car. Ooh! That sounds so sick. Right out the hood. Ooh! Ooh! Those kids saw me. I'm badass, you know what I'm saying? Oh. All right, drove good. Let's see what Tony wants to do now. I don't know if we're done until we get a tune or if we're gonna get some food. I'll let you know. Yeah, drove good. I just cruised it. Air fuel stayed around 14. Temps didn't get over 190.
It was fucking unbearable.
When you first put the turbo or the B series?
No, the first time. No, the B series was quiet.
Well, the first time oh yeah, it was quiet. But the first time I seen this, you had it out the hood and it shot like a fucking. You almost lit your house on fire.
Oh no, but yeah, when you drove it with the hood exit, it was still.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't that loud. We did two-step on it.
Oh, it's set up?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah. Is it recording? Yeah, it should already be. Here, David, do it on my phone too.
What angle?
That one.
Like, look at the camera. How do you know if it's recording? I gotta do that at night.
Yeah.
As soon as I heard that first pop, I'm like, I know a fire's gonna come out.
Very nice.
My muffler muffles the whole thing out.
Now what? We'll go get food or what?
Yes, sir. Fernando was just asking too.
He didn't ask yesterday.
I know.
That was
That's
a shade. What do you mean it did or it didn't?
Yeah, when I was first revving it, it fucking like on the D cell, it would smoke the turbo.
Maybe just whatever was in it.
Yeah, and the actual exhaust.
Yeah, it drives good. Now we just do David's car setup tunes.
It's another video.
Was that clamp tight?
I checked these ones. I didn't check. Oh no. I checked all the other clamps too.
Yeah.